Today on World Famous Foods, we're going to be doing a healthy drink using some oranges, lemons, ginger, and turmeric. Check us out. Okay, we got our ginger. Let's finish cutting this up. This stuff in the blender. Okay, we got our lemon juice. Okay, now we're gonna get our orange juice. Juice from the oranges. Good healthy stuff from World Famous Foods. Oh yeah. Ron Daniel should be drinking this stuff. He needs it. I'm not a doctor, but I'm just giving you a little bit of advice. Just saying. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at this. So now folks, you're just gonna add some turmeric. We're gonna blend this up. Okay folks, we're gonna just add some water. We're gonna blend this down. Okay. Ooh, that smells so good. We know it's healthy too. Oh yeah. Okay. Look at that. Healthiness. World famous.